Hello. Over in the East Coast Bible Journaling group, we are getting ready to study the life of Christ in the book of John. And I'm super excited about the study. And the group has a freebie, which I've turned into a mini. And this mini is being offered as a freebie in our group over at the East Coast Bible Journaling group. So we have a scripture writing plan for the month of November, and the study is just in the beginning. And then inside of it you'll have the study of the life of Christ. I'm missing a page. First study, giving you tips on studying the book, and we will be studying and journaling through the book together. And if you are interested in obtaining either the freebie or being a part of the study of the book of John, then hop on over to East Coast Bible Journaling Group, and you can find all of the information there about being able to participate in the upcoming study for the month of November with scripture writing as we go through the book. So this is a freebie. It was created. I don't even think I could make this again because I'm not sure how I even did this because it was just a mix up with the sizes. But the free kit is a standard size TN, and you'll find that freebie in the group. And then this one actually is going to be a giveaway over in the group, and it has a pen holder here, kind of hold it together and everything. So if you want information about how you can get this as a freebie, or if you want to just be a part of studying the book of John over in the East Coast Bible Journaling group, I will leave links below in the video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.